welcome everyone. Today we're going to be making some chicken schnitzels. We're sort of having a bit of a penchant for some pub meals. So what we need today is chicken breast. And for the crumb, we're going to need some parsley, some parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs, and you can use panko breadcrumbs or normal breadcrumbs, and we're using normal breadcrumbs. So what you got, and then we've got for the dipping here, we've got our seasoned plain flour with salt and pepper. And also we're going to have our egg wash dip, and that's with some fresh milk, some minced garlic and a couple of eggs. So what's going to happen is we're going to cut the chicken or slice the chicken, and then it's going to get put into the flour and the egg wash, and then finally it's going to have the final crumbs. But remember, because we're dealing with chicken, we need to make sure that it's staying cold. We don't want it to get to room temperature. We want it to stay as cold as possible to keep it safe. And also, if you want to add to your flour there some paprika, or you can add some chili, you can do what you like. This is more of an Italian style, so we'll walk you through now, and hopefully you'll enjoy. All right, so now we're going to slice the chicken. So we take off what's called the tender. Nice even slicing cut. So now out of the one breast you should have 3 nice pieces. Pound it out to flatten it out a little bit and tenderize. And then into your flour, your seasoned flour. Then into the seasoned egg wash, because remember we've got the garlic and a little bit of milk through there as well, so it just makes it a little bit runnier. And then for a dip, into the breadcrumb mixture. As you can see, nicely evenly coated, and then set it aside and do it again. So one more time, into the flour, and then from the flour into your seasoned egg wash, and then into your breadcrumbs. And you do this until you've used up all the chicken, and then you put it back into the fridge so it can set for a little while. Alright, so now we're going to come back to cooking the schnitzels, and in the pan we've got a little bit of olive oil and ghee, which is clarified butter. And the clarified butter, what that does is it stops it burning, so you can get the higher temperatures. So as that's going, we then put the schnitzel in, and schnitzel is a German word for really good food. So there we go, and as you can see it's got the herbs in there. You want that on about a medium heat. You don't want it too hot, because otherwise it'll burn the outside and then the chicken won't be cooked. So we've got to cook that out now, and I'll come back to it in a little while. And after about 4 or so minutes, we flip it over and cooking the other side now. Okay, looking fabulous.